So with the release of the new iPhone 16, it's never a better time for you to get a charger. Not just a charger, but a 3-in-1 charger. And I have here the MagGo from Anker. This thing is phenomenal. It's small, portable, and it supports charging for actually 3 separate devices. Let's get into the video. So let's get into the unboxing. As we open the box, guys, you can see it's pretty simple. We have 3 devices right here. Firstly, I'm gonna just look at the USB-C to USB-C cable, and I like the fact that it has an L shape, which is gonna help with preventing your wire from being crimped. So now we're gonna go to the wall charger. Once you take it out, it's supposed to be at least a 40 watt, and I think it supports from 30 watts and above, as you can see indicated right there. Let's just open it up, and once it's open, you can see how clean the design is, and you can see a bit of information right there. You guys can actually freeze the video. And now let's get more into the box. I'm going to just look at the little manual right there. That is a quick start guide. Pretty much, as it says, there's a quick start guide that will help you with getting to use the actual MagGo. But let's just get into the MagGo right here. Now that we're in, I'm just going to take off this bit of plastic right here. And as you can see, pretty simple design which is folded down. I like the fact that it has an indicator light right there and also the input for the power. And at the bottom, you can see that it's well vented for heat dissipation, as well as in the middle, right by the next Qi2, you can see some vents right there. And it's pretty simple, guys, but let's get back into the video. I wanted to update the charging unit I had on my computer desk. And when I saw this and I saw how small it actually is, it was something that I know that I wanted on my desk, but not only that, I wanted something that's actually not going to take too much space on my desk. If I compare it to what was here before, which was this, and they actually compare it to this, and they both do the same exact thing. So it was a no-brainer for me to get this. But anyway, so let's get more into the details. So this is a charging unit for your phone, your AirPods, and this little puck that folds all the way out for your watch. All right. So it supports 15-watt charging for your phone on this side. It supports 5 watts for the AirPods and 5 for your watch. And I think that for me is fantastic. But now what makes it even more wonderful is the fact that it is so small. And it only weighs, and I'll put it up on the screen right here, that it is so easy for you to carry around. So the thing I like about this too is the fact that it is very sturdy in terms of the build quality, but not only that, the magnet that is on here is pretty strong. So if I should put my phone on here, you see how well it actually holds the phone up. And I think that is pretty good. And keep in mind, guys, that this is actually going through an actual case, and the case is pretty thick. So if I should take the case off of my phone, you can see right there, it is pretty strong. So it has a really nice hold to it. You can literally feel the magnet that's sucking into the phone right there. So let me just show you guys easily how it is done. All right, so first of all, what I'll do is I'll show you around. So pretty much here, you have the surface area for your phone. When you open this up right here, you have another Qi area right here, and that is actually for your AirPods. And like I mentioned before, when you fold this out, you have the section for your watch right here. But one thing I like about this too, guys, is it has some really nice vents in this area right here. I don't know if you guys can actually see that right there. And when you turn the back, it is filled with vents in the back. And that pretty much helps with your cooling. And this doesn't have any kind of fan that is built inside this unit. So that is why the vents are actually there. And when I was charging my my phone, when it depleted all the way to zero, from 0 to 20%, I got about 18 minutes. Within 18 minutes, I got it to 20% on the phone. And when I did from 0 to 50%, I got about 52 minutes thereabout. And when I did from 0 to 100, sorry, I got 2 hours and about 10 minutes thereabout. So this is pretty good for something that you know that you want to put it down, get some juice into it, and be on the way out. This is fantastic for that, guys. And I literally got 2 of these. So this is a white version, and they also have a black version. So I actually have that one in my bedroom right by my nightstand. And the next thing I wanted to mention to you guys is, like I mentioned before, is it only weighs 196 grams. That to me is really, really good, guys. As a photographer, space is always something that I'm always going for, because I don't want something that's going to take up too much space in my bag. Also, something that's going to be really heavy. So if I should even compare it to my smallest lens right here, this is a 35 millimeter lens. And if you look at my lens right here, you'll see how small it is compared to the lens. So, you know, just to give you guys an idea of the size right here, and pretty much the full dimension when it's actually folded down like this is 9 by 6 by 2.5 centimeters, guys. So you have a basic idea of what the size of this thing is. And I can't sing enough praise about it, guys, and how easy it is. So let me just actually plug it in right here. So once I plug it in, like so, and I like the fact that it actually comes with a L shape right there, another thing that is really good. So let me just open it up. I'm going to bring the puck at the back up. So I'm just going to show you guys the animation as well. So you put it on right there, and you can see the animation happening right there. But not only that, when you're ready to put it to the side like that, and when you do that, you'll see this. So you'll have this little nice feature here. It doesn't take too much. It's not showing too much brightness on your screen. So this is really good for having nighttime on your bed. But let me move forward. So if I should go now and put my AirPods on the base, you hear that little chime, so you know that it's actually charging. And then now if I go and put my watch, like so, and my watch start charging. So you guys can see that it's literally taking care of all 3 of the devices right here. And you're going to bed, you want to make sure when you wake up in the morning and you have something ready to go, you don't have to worry because it's right there. And the thing I like about it too, guys, is the fact that when I've been charging my stuff, it doesn't get too hot. It's literally, you feel a little warmth to it, but of course, because, you know, current is constantly flowing right through it, but it's not hot to the touch, meaning you can't hold it. It's not going to burn you or anything like that, which is something that is pretty good, guys. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you guys think of this actual feature, knowing that, you know, the new iPhones are out. And it is something that is just easy for you to either use on your desk, on your nightstand, or just something for you to just travel when you're going out on the road. So let me know what you guys think. And if you guys are actually interested in this device here, links will be in the description below, and it will just kind of support the channel because it's an affiliate link from Amazon. All right, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.